In this video, I will show you how to set up departments in Gusto. First, open your browser, head over to app.gusto.com and log into your account. On the left-hand menu, click on People. Here you will see all your active team members. If you want to update or create a department, just click on any employee's name. Once you're in their profile, scroll down to the department section and tap Edit. From here, you can either assign them to an existing department or create a brand new one. To create a new department, simply type in the department name, like marketing, sales, or HR, and then click Save. You will see the change reflected right away, and that employee will now be listed under the new department. You can repeat this process for other employees to make sure everyone is grouped in the right place. And that's how to set up departments in Gusto.